The multi-million-dollar renovation project for the Falmouth market in Trelawney should be completed next month. Mayor of Falmouth, COLIN gave TVJ News an update on the project, insisting that the latest extension deadline granted will be met. However, some vendors and even customers are furious about the new facility, as well as the conditions of the current market. TVJ's HERMAN has that story.
After missing completion dates in December last year and another recently for the new Falmouth market in Trelawney, Mayor of Falmouth, COLIN has given a new deadline.
This will be the last and final date, and we are looking at a July opening, end of July.
The project started over 2 years ago under the previous government. Mr. GAGER says several challenges, including break-ins and robberies, contributed to the delay. However, vending stalls have now been completed, security booths and cameras have been set up, and a cookshop area and the roofing are almost done.
We have started demolishing some of the old market and using some of those materials down there. So we can't afford to extend the time any longer.
But that roof change is one of the main contentions for those who still have to use the old market in the interim.
They don't put anything in place until they move the market. I think that's ridiculous. Now the weather is on, all the people them going shelter. See, you can see for yourself that this is nothing. This is not good at all. And even for us as the customers, we come in here and we're standing at the stall. These aren't shelter enough for us, and look how strong the wind is. So the rain come now, I'm gonna be wet.
In addition to the removal of the roof, the vendors are also upset about the infrastructure they've seen at the new market.
The stall is very small. Look at this stall. Can't hold women. Can't them have to do something about we and the shelter. They have to do something.
You want bigger market. You want bigger market, you know, town people and from market people. A small market that.
We took those concerns to the mayor. He does not believe there will be any problem.
In fact, for the food market, we have more than space because we have about 180 stalls down there, and we won't be using so much. So we'll be using about 90 of those stalls for the food market. We are catering for 700 vendors, bend-down vendors.
Once the new facility is completed, the municipal corporation will be rigorously enforcing no vending laws within the town. Mr. GAGER says the new market is being constructed at a total cost of approximately $380 million. HERMAN, TVJ News.